Dear students, I am welcoming all of you to another video lesson from the chapter Nature and Purpose of Business. Today you are going to learn in this lesson multiple objectives of business. Multiple objectives of business. You know very well, every business firms start and run their activities to earn with an ultimate aim to earn profit. So, earning profit is the ultimate aim of every business organization. Without earning profit, they can't continue their business for a long period. So, earning profit is the ultimate aim, but they are doing lot of other activities as a sub objective like social service activities, awareness programs, health camps, etc. So they have different objectives. So from this lesson, we are going to learn in detail what are the different objectives of business. So first of all, every business organization wants to survive in the market. So without surviving, they can't do any business. So first and foremost objective is market standing. Remember the point, market standing. So every business people want to continue for a long period in the organization. So then only they can do business, they can develop their business, they can achieve more higher positions in the business world. So market standing, a consistent performance in the market help the business people to stand in the market. So the first objective is market standing. Next one is innovation. Innovation, you know very well, innovation means exploring and discovering ways and means by which products are made more useful to customers. You know very well, in our modern business world, lot of innovative ideas brought by different business people in different product forms. So all the creative ideas help the business people to run the business for a long period. So every time their objective is to bring innovative products in the market. That is why it is another objective of business bringing innovative ideas. Innovative idea in the sense every time that helps to bring a different product to satisfy the needs of the customer. So remember the second objective, innovation. Third one is productivity. Every time, even a single seller also wants to sell more product, especially in the case of manufacturing business peoples. They want to increase their productivity. Productivity in the sense increasing the production of number of products. So increasing product in the market. Selling product more in the market is another aim of business people through increasing production. So market standing is first objective, second one is innovation, third one is productivity, and another one is physical and financial resources. Every business organization runs with the support of physical and financial resources. Though we are starting at the first time with a limited resource, maybe physical or financial, later we want to earn more physical and financial resources. Whenever we are achieving higher profit, that helps to earn more physical and financial resources. So it is another objective, the fourth objective. And every time the company wants to improve the performance of managers and the development of the organization. Yet another objective of business people and the firm. So by improving the manager's performance, the decisions will be good done and it will help the organization to survive in the market for a long period to earn maximum profit. Also, they can earn more future growth. So, future growth means development of the organization, creating new branches, bringing new technologies in the market. So, all these are objectives of business. You know very well, every time the worker's performance and attitude is considered by the organization. Why they are considering all these things? Whenever they give more incentives, there will be a positive attitude towards the organization from the part of the employees. So through which they can improve the performance of workers and a positive attitude towards the organization. It is also another objective of the business people to improve the performance of not only the manager but also the workers. Why? Because they are in huge number in the organization. So every time keeping and developing positive attitude of the workers is very essential for the running of the business. Without a favorable relationship between the management and the workers, they can't do anything. So that is also another important objective of the business. You know very well, nowadays business people do more social activities. They are spending time on socially responsible activities. Why? It is yet another objective. They want to give some attention for the peoples in their locality. Why? Because without the support of the community or the society, the business people cannot survive in the field. That is why they are giving maximum. That is why they are keeping business ethics. They are giving products at reasonable prices, creating more employment opportunities, taking raw materials from the same locality. So, social responsibility is another objective of the business. You have to remember the very important point. Every time business people wants to earn maximum profit. That is the main motto of their business. But they are giving more importance for market standing, improving workers' performance, managers' performance, social responsibility, bringing innovative ideas, whatever it may be, they given maximum importance for earning profit. So without profit, they can't do anything. Profit helps the business in different ways. You have to remember the heading, role of profit in business. So profit helps the business in different ways. It is a main source of income for the organization. It gives growth and expansion opportunity to the business. So it is a main source of income. It helps for the growth and expansion of the business. It, it helps the stakeholders to assess the earning capability of the organization. It is a reward for the business people, the entrepreneur, to take a risk. So to overcome the risk, profit always helps, and it is a good status every time. If they are earning more profit, it is a good status for the business man and the firm, and it is the main source of income to raise funds. It is a main source of income for raising funds. So hope the idea regarding objective of business is very clear. Thank you for watching my video. Keep in touch, share my videos, subscribe my channel, and any doubts please ask.